How to create an account on Gate.io. Now open the Gate.io app and now tap on the top left corner on that icon. So now tap on login or sign up. Now enter the email that you want to sign up with. Now tap on next. So as you can see, tap on confirm that you don't use this email before in any account. Now here you can see the strong password. So I will set the password and I will get back to you guys. Now after you set the password, what you need to do, select your country, and now what you need to do, just check this accept the user agreement and privacy policy. If you have a referral ID, you can type it here. Now tap on sign up and now go back to your email to copy the code that they have sent you. Now after you find it, now open the email from here, and as you can see, this is your code. Now copy it. Now go back to the Gate.io app and now paste it here. Now as you can see, if you want to verify or you can learn more about the verification, now we just skip that and I can verify it later. So this is how to create an account on Gate.io. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.